Hello, aspiring photographers and shutterbugs. Are you eager to transform your photography skills into a steady stream of income? Today, we're diving deep into the practical and innovative ways to make money with digital photography. We'll explore everything from selling photos online, creating photo books, to tapping into the exciting world of NFTs. Plus, we'll dive into how AI can supercharge your photography endeavors, unlocking new levels of success. Imagine capturing life's moments and turning them into a source of income. Whether you're just starting or already have a portfolio, this journey is packed with actionable strategies to monetize your photography skills. Meet Jamie, a passionate photographer like you, ready to discover the lucrative side of photography. Together, we'll navigate through the steps to transform your hobby into a profitable venture. Don't forget to subscribe to Millionaire Ventures Online. And let's turn your photography passion into a rewarding career. 1. Maximizing profits through digital photography. Wondering how to transform your photography into a profitable business? Dive into these effective, user-friendly strategies to make your digital photography skills pay off. Selling photos online, the digital landscape offers numerous platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock to monetize your photography. To make your work stand out, focus on unique themes or underrepresented niches. Ensure your photos are of top-notch quality, both visually and technically. Engage actively with online communities on these platforms. Discussions and feedback often lead to increased visibility and more sales opportunities. Creating photo books and prints. Turn your photographs into beautiful, physical products like photo books or prints. Use user-friendly platforms like Blob or Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing for self-publishing. Promote these products on social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. These sites are not only great for showcasing your work but also for driving traffic to where people can purchase your products. Creative marketing on these platforms can significantly boost your sales. Offering photography services. If you're passionate about capturing life's moments, consider offering photography services for events, portraits, or commercial shoots. Build a strong, diverse portfolio to showcase your best work. A compelling portfolio is your key tool in attracting clients and demonstrating your skills and style. Leveraging social media for exposure and sales. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer more than just a space for sharing your work, they are potent tools for marketing and direct sales. Regularly posting your work, engaging with your followers, and understanding the analytics behind your posts can lead to direct sales, commissions, and exciting collaboration opportunities. Building a strong online presence is crucial in today's digital age for expanding your reach and connecting with potential clients and fellow photographers. 2. Exploring new frontiers, NFTs and AI in photography. Photographers are increasingly turning to NFTs and AI to revolutionize their work. But what makes these technologies so pivotal in today's photography landscape? Let's explore how they can propel your photography to new heights. Understanding and venturing into NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are changing the game for digital artists, especially photographers. These digital tokens represent ownership of unique items, in this case, your photographs, on blockchain technology. This method provides a secure and verifiable way to sell and collect digital art. By tokenizing your photos on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible, you can reach a global market of art collectors and enthusiasts. We'll demystify the concepts of blockchain and cryptocurrency, explaining their importance in the NFT world and why embracing this technology could be a game changer for your photography business. Leveraging AI for enhanced photography. The integration of artificial intelligence in photography is opening up unprecedented possibilities. AI-driven tools like Luminar AI and Adobe Photoshop can dramatically enhance photo quality, offering features like automatic object removal, sky replacement, and style transfer. These tools allow you to transform average shots into visually stunning pieces. AI can also help in refining composition, suggesting the best framing, and even adjusting shots for optimal visual appeal. AI-powered analytics for trend analysis. Utilizing AI-integrated tools such as Google Analytics, you can gain valuable insights into the latest trends and preferences in the photography market. This information is crucial for understanding which of your photos resonate most with audiences, helping you create more targeted and appealing content. Predictive analytics can also give you a head start by identifying emerging trends, ensuring that your work remains relevant and sought after. Automating workflow with AI technology can streamline many aspects of your workflow, significantly saving time and increasing efficiency. From sorting and categorizing images to basic editing tasks, AI can handle repetitive processes, freeing you to focus on creative aspects. Additionally, AI can enhance your online portfolio's visibility through search engine optimization, ensuring that your work is more likely to be seen by potential clients. AI can also personalize your marketing strategies, ensuring that your promotional efforts are more effective and reach the right audience. 3. Diversifying revenue streams in photography. How can you create a range of income streams as a photographer to ensure a consistent and diverse revenue source? By expanding your photography business beyond simple photo taking, you can tap into various lucrative opportunities. From niche photography services to teaching and product creation, the potential for growth and income diversification is enormous. Let's investigate these possibilities in more detail. Specialized photography services. Explore the high-demand niches like real estate, e-commerce product photography, or food photography. Each niche presents unique opportunities and specific requirements. In real estate photography, build connections with local real estate agents or utilize platforms like Zillow to offer your services, ensuring properties are shown in the best light. E-commerce product photography can be highly lucrative by teaming up with online stores or setting up services on platforms like Shopify, providing compelling images that boost online sales. Food photography, another rich niche, involves working with restaurants or food bloggers to create images that make viewers hungry for more. Teaching photography and photo editing services. Share your photography expertise through workshops or online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Develop comprehensive course materials, covering everything from basic techniques to advanced skills. And engage actively with your students. Alongside teaching, offer photo editing and retouching services. Many photographers excel in shooting but may lack the time or skills for post-processing. Use your website and social media platforms to promote these services, demonstrating your skill with before and after images to show potential transformations. Master tools like Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop, and consider suggesting free alternatives like GIMP for those starting on a budget. Photography blogging, vlogging, and selling merchandise. Start a blog or a YouTube channel to share your journey, tips, and tricks in photography. This approach not only builds a community around your work but also opens doors to monetization through advertisements, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Additionally, transform your photographs into merchandise like calendars, postcards, or framed prints. Leverage print-on-demand services like Printful or Redbubble to create and sell these items without the need for inventory management or upfront costs. Promote these products on your social media channels and website to capitalize on the online presence you've built. Partnering with local businesses and utilizing online marketplaces. Forge collaborations with local cafes, restaurants, or galleries to display and sell your photographs. These partnerships provide a steady income stream and valuable local exposure. Custom photography for their spaces or promotional materials offers a mutually beneficial opportunity. Additionally, platforms like Etsy or Amazon are great for reaching broader audiences. Consider creating a photo book or selling prints of your best work. Tailor your listings to reflect the quality and uniqueness of your work, optimizing product descriptions for better visibility on these platforms. As discussed in our P2P Mastery and Unlock Your Creative Earnings videos, applying the principles of creativity and online selling is crucial. Staying abreast of current trends and adapting your strategies accordingly will keep your business relevant and thriving. As we conclude this session, it's crucial to remember that your photography is more than just an artistic expression. It's a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be unlocked. The strategies we've shared today are the keys to converting your passion into a lucrative career. From selling photos on global platforms, creating tangible photo books, to venturing into the innovative realms of NFTs and harnessing the power of AI. Every action you take is a step forward in your journey to success. Think of Jamie's story as a source of inspiration, a narrative of creativity, relentless effort, and cutting-edge innovation in the world of photography. Let it be a reminder that with the right approach and mindset, your photography can not only capture beautiful moments but also build a rewarding and sustainable business. Stay engaged with Millionaire Ventures Online for more insights and guidance on your path to becoming a successful entrepreneur. By subscribing and joining our vibrant community, you open doors to a world of knowledge and inspiration. Keep transforming every shot into a golden opportunity, and never stop exploring new horizons in your photography career. Until we meet again, keep your camera clicking and your earnings growing.